An age verifier pop-up, or an age gate, is a full-screen pop-up that visitors can only close by verifying their age. It shows up as soon as a visitor lands on your online store, or a particular page of your site, and covers or blurs out the page content. Welcome to Minimog Tutorials by FoxEcom. In this video, we will show you how to activate and customize an age verifier pop-up.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand's story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with ready-made templates of any page type. Save time with your saved designs. Easy and intuitive to keep the brand consistent. With absolutely no coding knowledge needed. Responsive across all screens. Create pages that convert with advanced tools and are optimized for SEO. Built with the latest technology and supported by the team that helps you transform your business. Foxify. Build right, win high.
Before we start, it's worth noting that this feature is available on Minimog version 3.4.0 and above. Now let's dive right in. In the theme editor, select the Age Verifier pop-up section in the left sidebar. Then, enable the feature and activate the design mode to display the pop-up during your building process. In the Age Verification pop-up, you can add or reorder the content blocks to add a heading, text, button labels, or an image. To change the copy, click on the corresponding block and type your preferred text instead. For example, I will make some changes here. Based on your industry, you may want to add a background image to your pop-up. To do that, in the section settings, hit on the image option and proceed to change it. If you want to add an image or include your site logo, you can add an image block and reorder its position as you wish. By default, 2 buttons are available to confirm the visitor's age. The Approve button is set up to close the pop-up and let visitors start shopping at your store. To change the content being displayed if the visitor does not meet the age requirement, go to the section setting and type your text. Now your age verifier pop-up is ready, you can disable the design mode. You can now activate and customize your age verifier pop-up in the Minimog theme. This widget enables you to pose age restrictions on your site's content, thereby protecting your business by complying with local laws regarding legal age requirements for specific products. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future videos from us. Thank you for watching.